In this video, I'm going to show you how to create products for your catalog. Now, to create products, you have to have already created attributes and categories. You can find videos on how to do both of those. Now, for products, I'm going to go up to Settings and then go down to Catalog. Now, you'll notice in this submenu, it kind of follows suit. You have to first create categories, then you can create product attributes, and then you can put those attributes together in products. Let me show you what I mean. Let's click on products here, and this is going to take you to a list of all the products in your catalog. So I can click on a product here, and it's going to show me every attribute that's in that product, such as wood type, style, and so on. There's also a group attribute section, and if I scroll down even farther, there's an item attribute section. Now, let me explain the difference between those. If I go to an order page with that product, I can scroll down. Everything from wood type down to comments is considered a group attribute, which means every single line of this order is going to use these selections. So every single line here is going to have this panel profile, this style and rail profile, and this edge profile, as well as be made out of this style of wood. Item attributes can be repeated and modified for each line. As you can see, I have one 25 by 9 and I have two 21 by 22, but they're still all going to be made out of alder. So let's put a product together. We're going to scroll back up here and then go to Settings, Catalog, Products, and I'm going to click Add Product. So the first thing that I'm going to do is choose a product name. The next option is Sell in Groups, which means, do I want to have group attributes? If I do, I'm going to check this box. The next one is Available for Sale. If you want the product to be available to your customers, check this box. We're going to skip the next option and go down to Priority Sort. If you watch the categories video, you know what priority sort means. It just means that the higher the number, the farther left it's going to appear. So for this one, I'm going to put 15. The export class is kind of up to you. It's for exporting into your financial software. So for this one, I'm just going to call it Doors. Repeat headers. This designates whether the headers will repeat for the cut list. If you'd like that, go ahead and check the box. If not, uncheck it. Image position. So as you're looking at an order page, you can either have the title, the image, and then the drop down, or it can go title, drop down, image, with the image below the drop down menu and the drop down menu right here. So that's another preference. A default quantity. So anytime that I create a new row, I can have it automatically put a 1 for the quantity. And then company exclusive. So if you have a lot of companies, you can make it exclusive to one company so that maybe you give them special pricing or it's just a custom product for that company. Now you can also tag a product. And the next option is uploading an image of the product. If you'd like to do that, click Choose File, pick the image that you'd like to upload, and click OK. Now here we're going to add attributes to this product. So you can see I have my group attribute section and my item attribute section. So to add an attribute, all I do is click this menu and this will show me every attribute that I've created. So I can pick one. Let's go down to wood type and then click Add Group Attribute. Now if I want to add an item attribute, I click this one, scroll down, let's add width, and then click Add Item Attribute. Now, if I have categories, I can select a category here. There should be a checkbox. You can click that and you can put the product in that category. So once you're done adding all of your attributes, just click Save Changes. And now I have a product down here. If I go into my catalog, you can see that there's another product right here, and it's got the wood type in the group attribute section, and it's got width in the item attribute section that will repeat every time I click Add Row. So in a nutshell, that's how you create products for your catalog. So try and create your own products, see if you can put some group attributes together and some item attributes together, and see what you can come up with.